Caden coming at you with a restoration video for this 1980 MX80. Bought this bike off of Marketplace for 450 bucks. It's not in the best shape, so let's get to it. So we're going to start off by taking a look at this seat. I just want to show you guys how messed up it is. Someone left a sprocket on it. It's cut up. It's totally ripped, so I ordered a seat cover for it. And I feel like it's definitely going to change the look of the bike the most because it just looks homeless right now. So here is the finished product of the seat right now. I used this foam, cut it to size of the chunks that were taken out of this, filled them in, and then put this tape over it. I did like all the sides that I could. So yeah, we're going to put the seat cover on now, and here we go. Now what I'm doing is sanding down the exhaust. As you can see, it's pretty rusty. I'm gonna make it look brand new. This is what I got done so far. And yeah, so I'll show you guys the time lapse.
A few moments later.
So after many coats, this is the glossy black finish I was hoping for. It went perfect. I think it looks great. I'm not sure how original it looks, but here's a video of it out in the sunlight, shining in on it. Looks pretty sweet. And then I shined up that 80 plate that goes over it. I definitely think that it makes the exhaust pop out more. So now I got the tire off. The back brake is shot, so we're going to get a new brake shoe, put that in. I'm also going to clean this up. This thing's just very dirty. This doesn't look appealing, so we're going to get her shine looking really good. I want to give a little shout out to Mike for getting me this brake. As you can see, that one's just messed and homeless, but this one, it's going to do some damage, you know? We're actually going to have brakes now. Alright, so this is what we're working with. Let's get her done.